Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing Mi A3 water test. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and have your notification turned on so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. So this phone comes with a dot drop notch with a single 32 megapixel camera. And talking about the rear camera, it has a triple camera setup, a ultra wide angle lens, 48 megapixel main camera and a depth sensor. I like the design of this phone. It gives you premium feel when you hold the phone. This variant which I'm holding right now is a 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage. And this one comes with a Snapdragon 665. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now I'm gonna put this phone in here. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And I'm gonna keep this Mi A3 in the water for 1 minute. And let's see if it can survive my water test. What do you guys think? Do you think it can survive? Let me know in the comments below. I'm also giving away Mi A3 to one of you guys. To participate, all you have to do is like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what's the best thing you like about this phone. And I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on 7th September on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. Giveaway link is in the description. Let's flip this phone. Flip it back again. The display is still on and the phone still looks good. It's not responding to the touches in the water. And now it's going to be 1 minute. So let's stop the timer and take the phone out. Oops, the phone turned off. So this phone has been in the water for complete 1 minute. The water didn't went inside the front facing camera as well as the rear camera. So now let's clean the phone and let's see if it's still working. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, it's working. The display is fully functional and very responsive to the touches. Let's check the camera. I'm gonna take a quick photo of this box. The camera is working and also takes good photos with good details. And I think it's the best camera you can get in this budget. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. The in-display fingerprint sensor is adding my fingerprint. That means it's working. Let's try to unlock with the fingerprint sensor. Yes, the in-display fingerprint sensor is working. And now let's check the face unlock. Let me add my face. And my face has been added. And now let's unlock the phone with a face unlock. The face unlock is also working. It looks like there's still some water in charging port and in the speaker grill. And also in the headphone jack. The phone is getting charged without any issues. Let's check the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Mi A3 versus Redmi K20 speed test. So before we get started, Mi A3... The speaker is also working without any problem. It's loud and clear. The volume rockers are also working. So yeah, the phone is fully working. This phone survived my water test. Mi A3 giveaway link is in the description. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.